Requested by Zippy, George, Bungle, and Geoffrey Hayes.
Hi. I'm Christo. And today, I'm going to knock down the refrigerator. Ha 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 ha. I'm doing it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. I knocked down the refrigerator. Yes. I knocked down the refrigerator. Yes. I knocked down the refrigerator.
Christo, what was that noise, and what happened to our refrigerator?
Well, you are going to be so furious when I tell you, but I knocked down the refrigerator.
Oh my God. Christo, insert middle name here, Ronaldson. How dare you knock down the refrigerator? You know you are not allowed to do that at all.
Your father is right, Christo. You know that the refrigerator is very expensive. That's it. You are grounded for $69. And while you are grounded, you will be eating nothing, absolutely nothing, but lumpy potatoes for every meal, including dessert. Now go upstairs to your room right now and don't even come out until dinner time. Now go. Now.
Wow.